Alright, I'm back. This time I got a nice blaster box of Donruss. I really like the Donruss product. Last video I opened up last year's Hoops blaster box, and that was probably one of the better blaster boxes I've opened in a long time. It had 2 hits in it and some really good rookies. So hopefully I can get something out of this one. Looking for the Wimby and a couple other guys. Any Spurs players and anything I can get signed in person. Keldon Johnson right there off the top. Spurs player. Tyrese Halliburton. Josh Green. Jared Allen. Luka. Nice card. Colby Jones and Brandon Ingram. And a LeBron. CJ McCollum. Tamani Kamara, rookie. Anthony Davis. Derek Whitehead. Got Steph and Seth back to back. Tim Hardaway Jr. Benedict III. Embiid. Sohan, Spurs player. Jalen Pickett. Kyle Lowry and Damian Lillard numbered to 125. 36 out of 125. Looks like the edges might have a little bit of condition issues there. Another Derek Whitehead rookie. Victor Oladipo. I don't even know who he's playing with anymore. I don't think he's with Houston. He's been bouncing around a lot this year. OG Anunoby. Jed Howard rookie. That's going to go in my PC. Gobert and Donovan Mitchell. I will be actually seeing OG early or later on today. Maybe. I haven't decided if I'm going to go or not. Derrick Rose. Devin Vassell, Spurs player. MPJ. Maxwell Lewis. That's a good one. Nice. I like getting the variations of rookies like that. And the last one there is Kyrie. So, no hits or anything. I guess you could count that numbered card as a hit, but I personally don't. But, yeah. So, honestly, this one's probably the best pull out of the whole set, out of the whole box. But yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.